Greetings everyone, and Merry Christmas. Today I will be showing you how to create this dazzling gold and crystal-colored Christmas tree. I will also show you how I coordinated the nearby mantle and garland. In a separate video, I will do a full room tour. Now let's get started on this merry tutorial. After setting up my tree and adding the lights, I first added 2 rows of beads. The first row was simple ivory pearl beads, and the overlapping second row was the new light gold bead and ribbon garland I found at Hobby Lobby this year. Check out my Christmas haul video in the Christmas playlist. After that, I added this crystal and champagne star that you can find at Walmart or Home Goods. The first ornaments I added were large. I found these clear glass ornaments on sale at Kirkland's last year. I added them evenly to the front, back, and sides of the tree. I also added these crystal snowflakes I found at my local grocery store and these lighted churches that I also found there. To coordinate my fireplace mantle, I added this crystal tree that I got at Michael's and some crystal candle holders that I got with my free rewards at Bath & Body Works. Then I added some ribbon. I added this ivory snowflake ribbon with coordinating gold checkered ribbon at the top and left long streamers to hang down. I also added 2 more to the sides and 1 to the back. What do you think so far? I then added these crystal Christmas tree ornaments I found at Michael's on sale, and then added these antique-looking gold Santa Clauses around the tree. I also added these vintage glittery birds. This was one of the first Christmas ornaments I ever bought. I also added these vintage glittery snowflakes. I liked the look of the ribbons, so I made some smaller bows out of the checkered ribbon and distributed them evenly throughout the tree. Next, I added these crystal wreaths that I bought years ago on clearance at Macy's. I waited years to use these. I then added these gold glitter leaves evenly and sparingly throughout the tree. I found these modern straw stars at Target years ago and thought the color would lighten up the tree and make it a little more modern. Let me know what you think. added these different picks. I added leaf picks to tie in with my leaf garland, gold berry picks, and these crystal picks to tie into our crystal and gold theme. To give my tree a more classic Christmas feel, I added these LED flickering candles that I bought off of Amazon. These really add a nice touch and feel to the tree. I also added some extra ribbon streamers down the sides. I then decided to add these Christmas bells I got at Hobby Lobby with some glittery light-up Christmas lanterns that I also got there. Underneath the tree, I added these glittery stick presents I got at Hobby Lobby and some lighted porcelain snowballs I got at TJ Maxx. I also added some clear reindeer that I got at the Dollar Tree and a snowflake candle holder that I bought at the Target Dollar Spot. To coordinate this theme with my mantle, I added the leaf garland that I used all year. I added one chain of the light gold garland from Hobby Lobby and 2 ribbons of the same style on the sides. I decided to try something new and puddled the garland to the floor using 2 pieces of garland. On top of the mantle, I added 2 lanterns and candles, my crystal birds that I bought at Cracker Barrel during my Christmas haul video. Please check that out. In the middle, I added my crystal Christmas tree and crystal holders. Let me know if you like it. I then added the same design scheme to my doorway garland. I added the same gold garland chain that's on the tree and mantle, the same bows, and I also added the same picks of flowers and crystals throughout the garland. Now, let's take a look at the final results with the lights on and in the dark. liked this tutorial, please hit like and subscribe. Check out my other decorating videos for Christmas and other holidays. And please watch my full room tour showing my tablescape, stairs, and TV armoire. Thank you for watching, and have a Merry Christmas.